Starting a flooring project? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, choosing the right floor cutter is key to achieving clean, precise cuts. In this video, I'll show you how to pick the best one for your needs. Understanding different types of floor cutters. Floor cutters come in different styles, each designed for specific tasks. Manual cutters are ideal for softer materials like laminate and vinyl. They're lightweight, easy to use, and offer precise cuts. Perfect for smaller DIY projects. Simply pull the lever and you're good to go. No dust, no mess. For tougher materials like tile or hardwood, powered floor cutters are your go-to. These electric models provide the speed and power needed for larger, more demanding jobs. They're bulkier, but if you're working on a commercial project or anything that requires frequent, quick cuts, these are worth the investment. Then there are specialized tile cutters made for ceramic and stone flooring. These are fantastic if you're focused on specific materials, ensuring both precision and versatility. Ultimately, the type of floor cutter you choose should depend on the material and scale of your project. Key considerations. When choosing a floor cutter, first up, think about the size of your project. If you're working on a small DIY task, a manual cutter will likely suffice. It's portable, simple to handle, and perfect for precision. However, if you're tackling larger projects like a full room renovation or commercial flooring, an electric cutter is more efficient, cutting down time and effort significantly. Next, consider the material you're working with. Manual cutters excel at softer materials like laminate or vinyl, but for tougher floors such as hardwood or thick tile, you'll need a powered cutter. These tools handle dense materials with ease, offering a smoother cut, and can quickly process large volumes of work without sacrificing quality. Ease of use is another factor. Manual cutters are quieter, lighter, and more intuitive for homeowners. But for pros working on repetitive cuts, an electric model is designed for speed and efficiency, even though it's bulkier. Also, think about precision. You'll want a cutter that makes clean cuts without all the dust and noise of traditional saws. Many modern models offer added features like built-in guides for accurate cutting, making them easier to use. And if portability is a concern, ensure your cutter is easy to transport and store, especially if you're on the go for smaller projects. Price and budget considerations. Budget plays a huge role in your decision. Manual cutters are more affordable, typically ranging from $50 to $200, making them ideal for budget-conscious DIYers or light-duty projects. They're simple to maintain and can last for years with proper care. Electric cutters, on the other hand, can be significantly pricier, ranging from $200 to $1,000, but they're built to last, and their efficiency justifies the cost for larger projects. If you're working with harder materials or taking on heavy-duty tasks, an electric model might be the better investment. Don't forget about accessories. Replacement blades and maintenance tools can add up over time, so be sure to factor that into your overall budget. If you plan on multiple flooring projects or if durability is essential, an electric cutter is likely a more cost-effective solution in the long run. Safety features. Safety should always come first. Look for cutters with features like blade guards, non-slip handles, and safety locks. These keep the tool secure during use and minimize accidents. For professionals, features like anti-vibration handles and ergonomic grips help reduce fatigue and increase comfort during long sessions. Regardless of the type, always adhere to safety guidelines, wear protective gear like gloves, and stay cautious around moving parts. A small investment in safety can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Maintenance and durability. Manual cutters require little maintenance beyond keeping the blades sharp and clean. With the right care, they can last for years, especially if stored properly. Just keep the moving parts lubricated and the cutting surface free of debris to maintain top performance. Electric cutters, while requiring more upkeep, are built for frequent use. You'll need to check the motor regularly, clean out any dust or debris, and replace blades as they wear down. But these tools are built for durability and can handle heavy workloads. Look for models made from high-quality materials that can stand up to tough projects over time. When making your choice, durability matters. Investing in a robust cutter, whether manual or electric, ensures that it will keep performing well across multiple projects. So even though electric cutters have a higher upfront cost, their lifespan can make them a smarter choice for frequent users. In summary, the right floor cutter depends on your project's size, material, and budget. Take your time considering these factors to pick the best tool for your needs and get professional results.